What's going on, guys? Wanted to review a beautiful piece of wood that I got off eBay. I saw a seller selling some box elder turning blanks a couple of weeks ago, and I was like, I gotta find a piece for a guitar. I haven't seen a guitar made out of box elder before, and I was like, let's start searching. So lo and behold, I come across this huge plank. Had some beautiful coloring in it, just really nice. Saw some of the flame in the wood and everything, and I was like, let's get that. So I get it home, I start cutting into it, laying it out, and honestly, it is a amazing wood. Beautiful red streaks running through this, really heavy curl, and then you got some wormholes floating through here. Just a really neat piece of wood. Box elder is a form of maple. It's a fast-growing maple. Some people consider it a weed. What I was reading is when the tree gets damaged from wind or being bent back and forth, it starts to develop these red veins. I don't know how true that is, but that's what Wikipedia said. I dropped this on a birch back and sealed this in 3 coats of velvet oil. And this is really an outstanding piece of wood. Very beautiful. It yellows up just a little bit. This is the finish versus the unfinished. I started making a couple of tops out of this stuff, and as I got into cutting it and book matching it, real beautiful. The wood does tend to split, and that's why a lot of times you don't see a lot of big pieces. This is where they sort of cut out everything that's split and they make, I don't know, pen blanks, bowl turning blanks, whatever. You can see in this bigger crotched piece, as the tree grew, you got all these beautiful flames in here, but you got a lot of cracking. So as I was laying this out, I was really trying to avoid some of the cracks. You can see it on this side. Beautiful coloring here, just outstanding, but a lot of splits. This was kiln dried. I'm assuming it, as they put it in the kiln, it just started to warp and make a little bit of a mess. But if you can find some bigger pieces, you can get some really neat looking guitar bodies. So a couple guys had commented that I should make a V out of this, and I don't know if I could get that out. This piece I'm sort of sitting on and waiting to figure out what to do with it in my head. But I did get some beautiful pieces off of this log. This is one of the other tamer pieces, but the coloring is really outstanding. Some wormholes here and there, but look at, sort of, you got a gray, a yellow, a brown, a red, some pink hues. Really beautiful wood. I actually sent a piece of this from this top to my buddy Anthony from Lucky Dog. I'm curious to see what he makes out of this. He loves taking those wildwood pieces and making them pop, so he said he was going to play with a stain. I will probably do that at some point here as well, but curious to see what he does. So box elder maple, it's kind of like a soft maple as you're playing with it. Not at all like the Eastern hard rock stuff that is like sometimes impossible to route, but just a good soft maple. Really some beautiful figure in here. We'll be curious to see what Lucky Dog comes up with. If you guys are interested in a piece, I might have a couple to sell. But all in all, a really neat piece of wood, really beautiful tree. I will try and search some of this stuff out as I have my favorite searches on eBay. So just a quick video on box elder maple, another Luthier wood review. I've got almost 50 Luthier wood reviews on YouTube. I think it's one of the better resources as a library, just to see the wood, hear the knock, me kind of talking about it. So just another video to add to that mix. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.